Hello children, today we are going to study the chapter 7 and the title of the chapter is Months of the Year. So as the title suggests, today in this very chapter we are going to learn about the names of the months in a year. Okay, there are 12 months in a year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So, these are the 12 months of a year. So, one day, all the months of the year had a contest to see which one was the nicest of them all. The trees and the birds were the judges. So one day, what happened? All the months of a year, all the 12 months thought that we will have a competition and we will see which month is the best out of the 12. And to judge the competition, who is the best, the trees and the birds were the judges. Then the competition among the 12 months started. January came first. The wind blew so hard that everyone's hats flew off. So all of you know the year began with the January now. So in the January month, what happened? The wind was blowing very hard, and though all the hats and caps, okay, we used to wear hats and caps in the month of January. Now the wind was blowing so hard that everyone's hat flew away. Now then came February. Then she keep on smiling at everyone, okay, and wind stopped and a little hearts appeared. So in month of February, what happened? It brought smile on everyone's face, and the wind also stopped blowing so hardly. Okay. Then after February, month of March came and it was cold everywhere. It was too cold everywhere. And little grasses used to appear everywhere. It seems to be full of green. Okay, because the small grasses they begin to come out. That's why. Okay. As soon as April came, little flowers popped up everywhere. So, in the month of April, what happened? Everywhere flowers were there. Okay, everywhere it was full of grasses and flowers. Now, then the month of May came. Huffling and puffing, the sun became very hot and everyone was sweating. The sun was very hot and everyone was sweating. Okay. In the month of May, it is too hot now, children. Sweating means pasina. Now we all of us start sweating. There is lots of loss of water from our body because we feel so much of heat, so much warm we feel. Then there came month of June with rain, thunder and lightning. In month of June, what happened? It rained so heavily, thunder is everywhere, lightning is there. In month of it was time for July. It started raining very hard and everyone huddled under their umbrellas. So in the month of July, what happened? It was raining very hard, okay, and everyone was hiding themselves in under the umbrellas. Then in the month of August, the clouds started going away. Okay, then when the month of August came, the clouds started going away. Okay, the clouds started to move away because now it was about to have sunny days. Now rainy season was about to get over. September arrived and waved a wand. The leaves turned golden brown. So in month of September, what happened? The leaves from leaves were changing their color. From green it turned to be gold and brown in color. Along came October, carrying with him a nip in the air. In the month of October, what happened? A little bit we feel cool, na? From the season of October, from the month of October, we start to feel the, coldness, okay, in the air. It's a beginning of the winter season. It's a beginning alarm, we can say, of the winter season. November followed and everyone got out their coats and sweater. So each of us are using sweaters and coats in the month of November, na children. We use our woolen clothes because it's too cold. Last came December, covering the world with snow, and in month of December it's so cold. It is very cold. It is temperature is very low. And what happened? So many places they get covered with the snow. All the months stood together to see who was the winner. The trees and the birds who were the judges looked at each other. So all the months they were standing together to see which month is the winner. But tree and birds who were the judges, okay, the judges were looking at all the months. Then they say, you all are winner. Every month is winner. We can't do without any of you. Means every weather, every season, every month is important. Okay, in different months we feel different now. Sometimes we feel hot, sometimes it's raining, and it's very good, sometimes it's very cold. So every month is very important for us. So the judges said all the months are winner. Thank you.